Let me show you how to make this fried cabbage with smoked beef sausage. Make sure you watch to the end. All right, so first you want to take you one whole cabbage. So I got one whole cabbage and I cut it in half and I made 1/4 strips out of the cabbage. And then you're going to place that to the side. Next, you're going to cut up your veggies. I chose red bell peppers, green bell peppers, and I used white onion. You want to dice them up between 1/8 to 1/4 cubed. And then you want to place those to the side as well. All right, next you want to cut up your choice of protein. I went with smoked beef sausage, and you're just going to cut that up into 3/4 squares, or 3/4 cubes, my bad, which is the same size as probably a nickel, okay? So you just want to make them a little thicker than you did the vegetables. Then we're going to get a hot pan. I used a pot, obviously. You can use, I would just prefer a pot, get a pot for you. You just want to brown the sausage, just like that. And then we're going to, you can place it to the side, it's up to you, or you can just keep it in the pan, but I like cooking everything separate and combining back to the same pot, so forgive me. If you know other methods, use it that way. All right, so then you're gonna add you some garlic. I added my minced garlic to the pot. I added all of my vegetables back in, and I pretty much just sauteed those down and cooked it for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then I added my cabbage to the top of it. All right, now this is where it gets a little different. All right, so I use Creole seasoning. I hit it with some Creole seasoning on the top. I also hit it with some salt. I used W sauce. I like to call it W sauce. I added some garlic powder, brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of water, or you can use chicken broth. And I added 1 stick of butter. And yes, I mean 1 stick of butter. So fight with yourself. It was delicious. Trust me on that one. Also, guys, don't forget, all of the ingredients and the specific measurements will be inside of the description box. So if I'm moving too fast or you can't keep up with it, do not worry. Just refer back to the description box, okay? All right. All right, and once you're done with adding all of your seasonings and everything in, we're going to add the sausage back in. We're going to cook that for about 15 minutes, all right? So it depends on how you like yours. I like my texture a little bit more crisp. I don't like mine too soggy, so I cook mine for 15, 20 minutes. But you can cook it to the texture that you like. This is the texture I went with. Let me know what you think. Also, guys, if you watched the video this far, don't forget to turn on that notification bell, all right? So you can never miss a recipe whenever I post. Peace out, guys.